Hey peeps, welcome back to another video, and today we are making extra virgin avocado oil or cold pressed avocado oil. First step, I'm going to cut the avocados into halves and then putting them here in this bowl, and after that we are going to mash them. After mashing the avocado into puree, I'm going to spread them here on this tray, and I have a lot of them, so I'll have like 6 of these trays. So you're going to place the tray in a dry, airy place, and this is going to help to dehydrate or evaporate the water and dry them. You also need to keep on mixing the avocado each and every time, or after an hour also. And also avoid keeping the avocados under very hot sun. It has taken me like 5 days. This needs a lot of patience. Yeah, you can use oven, like if you don't have time you can use oven, or you can use carrier oil, but this one is cold pressed. No carrier oil, no heat, just air drying. This one is well dry. You see there's a lot of oil coming out even before I squeeze. Now it's time to drain the oil from the pulp, and I'm going to use this cloth here to squeeze the oil from the pulp. To extract the oil needs a lot of effort and energy. As you can see, I'm really trying to get the oil out and it's not easy. I'm going to do the first bunch using the gloves on. I realized this is sliding away, so hard to use another cloth, and this is better off. As you can see, I was able at least to extract a little oil, and I have like another 6 bunch waiting, and I'll do another one more with you guys. I'll continue pouring more pulp, and let us continue with this squeezing. It's not easy, but then this is the only way that you're going to get your avocado oil. So guys, I'm going to squeeze the rest of camera, then I'll be back, because like this needs a lot of patience. As you can see, there's still a lot of oil, and this cloth is so nice. This is the amount of oil I was able to get from the first bunch of avocados. The avocado oil has amazing benefits, and I'm not going to throw away the pulp. I'm going to use it to make my DIY body scrub. Next, I'm going to sieve my avocado oil and then store it in an airtight container in a cool, dry place. And this is what I got from the other remaining bunch of avocados, and I love this one, and I'm going to use this one for my hair. Considering the amount of avocados that I had, I got a little oil, and I got for 125 ml of this kind of bottles, like the one which I am putting the oil. This one I got 4 of these, and I am not even surprised because extracting the oil was not that easy, but this is what I managed to get. At least 4 bottles of 125 ml. And that is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you love such content, share this video with your friends, and also subscribe for more videos like this, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.